So this is with the new camera. I just wanted to see what it sounded like and what it looked like on the new camera. So this is, still haven't modified everything yet because I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do. But we're at full temperature now. 42,014 miles. So like I said, full aero, mid-pipe, Yoshimura headers. Bald ass tires. Really like the Michelin Power 5s, they're really good. Definitely need to rebuild the shock and a few other different things. They did get rolled at one point with the previous plastics. Those ones, still have some of them. Those ones were not in very good condition at all. Quick little rundown, like I said, aero, mid-pipe, aero exhaust, Yoshimura headers, full Maxima Racing oil and coolant and brake oil and everything. It's got a Graves pair of block-off valve, Gallifer stainless steel, dual stainless steel brake lines. So there's two of them coming out. Much better braking. Stainless steel line in the rear because the previous person had it stretched, so that's why it's kind of curled up, but it still works fine. Other than that, it's a pretty good bike, and she's fast as fuck for a 600. Need to get a proper tune.